What if I told you that your backyard holds the key to powerful natural remedies? Remedies your ancestors used to combine for maximum healing. In Foraging Secrets, you'll learn not only how to identify medicinal plants, but also how to combine them, just like your ancestors did, to create powerful natural treatments that fight infections, relieve pain, and boost your health. For example, Native Americans often combined yellow root with echinacea to create a potent remedy that fought infections and strengthened the immune system. Pioneers mixed willow bark with wild garlic to create a natural painkiller and antibiotic that helped keep them going during hard times. These plant combinations were passed down for generations, and now, with Foraging Secrets, you can unlock these forgotten healing formulas for yourself. This isn't just about picking plants. It's about knowing how to use them together for maximum effect, just like your ancestors did. Curious? Click below to get more information on Foraging Secrets and discover the powerful combinations that could be life-saving when modern medicine is out of reach.